Hey beauties, it's Riri, and today's video is all about my ipsyglambagx. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like what you see, subscribe down below if you have not yet, share this video out if you do enjoy the content, and turn on your bell notifications so you never miss a new upload. If you are unfamiliar with the ipsyglambagx, this is a quarterly subscription in lieu of or in addition to your standard Ipsy Glam bag, and it is $55. But you are supposed to receive a retail of at least $350. We have definitely had some bangers, we've had some good months, and we've had some okay months. I do know that this box is with Huda Beauty, but I do not obviously get any spoilers, so I am clueless as to what is in the box. I will say though, it is pretty heavy. I also, every time I do an unboxing, I like to show this little teeny tiny gadget called Guard Your ID. As you can see, I have covered up my address, and you can still see Ipsy's address here. These are quite affordable, and so often I see people doing unboxings or showcasing packages on their channels, and they are blurring things out. They are covering the label, they are taping over the label. This right here, literally you just unscrew it, and whatever you are trying to cover up, you literally just go straight across it. And it is a really affordable, easy, beginner-friendly way to protect your identity, and they're quite cheap. I really love these things, so I try to bring them up when I do my unboxings. So we are going to dive into our box. Let me grab my scissors. I hope everybody is well. Are you ready for Thanksgiving? Do you celebrate Thanksgiving? I want to know, do you prefer the meats or the sides? And are you a turkey person or a ham person? Comment down below. I personally love ham. I don't really care too much for turkey, if I'm being honest. But I think the sides is where it's at, y'all. I love my ham, but them damn sides are on point. Okay, so we are going to go in. All right, so right on top, I see a CELA glacier clay mask. I do not typically use clay masks. I feel like they're a little bit too drying, and as y'all know, I have incredibly dry, dehydrated skin. I really do like the packaging and stuff, and of course we'll read up on our deets. So that's pretty cool to have in the box. I just know that I will not be using it, so it will go in our pay it forward pile. Next up, I see a brand that we get quite frequently. This is the Ahava Leave On Dead Sea Mud Derm Mud Intensive Foot Cream, Dry and Sensitive Skin Relief. This I will for sure use. I have used their Ahava like Mineral C hand cream or something like that. I can't remember exactly what it's called. I will definitely use this. I like to make sure that my feet are not as crusty and dusty as they are right now, especially heading into the winter months. So definitely like this, and so far kind of more skincare based versus makeup thus far. Next up is a Rare Beauty with Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm in the shade Praise. I actually have tried this before, and it is a beautiful product. You guys know I love lip treatments and lip balms. I have on my JOUER little mini pumpkin one right now, and you can use code The Brutally Honest Beauty for 15% off of your JOUER purchases. That isn't an affiliate link, which means I get a small little kickback from that purchase, so thank you in advance if you do use my code. But y'all know I'm obsessed with things like this. I'm actually going to open this and try it. I really do overall like Rare Beauty as a brand. I think the packaging and everything is beautiful, and everything that I've tried, aside from a couple things, has been fantastic. Pretty similar to the box, kind of a pumpkin shade. They are quite comfortable, not super duper opaque, but they give you enough. Ooh, pretty. Not super opaque, but enough to give you a little something something. Very comfortable, non-sticky, non-tacky, so I love this. I'm happy to have this, especially going into the winter months. Next is a Complex Culture All the Angles. It just has 2 brushes. And the couple brushes that I have gotten in Ipsy, I believe this is Ipsy's kind of in-house brush brand, if you will. The brushes that I have received and that I have tried, I have absolutely loved. So let's see what these look like. And just like the other ones I have, they're incredibly weighted. I think these are absolutely stunning. They're this beautiful kind of very soft tan nude shade. And this one is more, I would probably use this for like highlighter or something like that, or under the eye for powder. And then this one right here is a really cool kind of angular brush. And this is meant to be more for concealer. That feels so incredibly soft. So I'm very intrigued by this. I really, really love their brushes. Honestly, some of the best brushes that I've used. So I'm very, very happy to have this. Next up, I've wanted to try this. This is the Huda Beauty Glow Cocoa Hydrating Mist. Yes, please. I actually have on today the Glowish by Huda Beauty Luminous Pressed Powder, just as like a soft sweep of foundation, if you will. And I'm really liking it. I'm testing that out. Oh, the packaging already, I love. It feels quite heavy too. I don't know if you're supposed to shake it. Let's shake it anyway. Hold the bottle about 6 to 8 inches. Time to prime. You can prime, set, freshen up, etc. And you guys know I'm all about, I love the mister on this. And it also has a very wide spray radius. Oh, and it smells like coconut. Yes, please. I love it. Ooh. Okay, I really like that. Okay, I'm very excited to have this. I've wanted to try this for a very, very long time. And I'm all about hydration. I'm all about the glow and luminous skin. So I'm very, very happy to have that. We're still going, y'all. We are still going. Next up is a PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. I actually have a brand new one of these that I had gotten in a boxy pop-up, I believe. But I think I like this color better. So I might get rid of the other one and keep this. Also, let me know if you've tried this. I've used a Clarisonic for a couple years, and I really love it, but they no longer make it. So let me know. I'm curious about your thoughts on this, but really great to have. Next up is the Patrick Ta for Lips Major Glow Softening Lip Mask. This is in the shade, or flavor, I guess, She's Juicy. And I'm gonna look and see what it looks like. I'm a little disappointed, I feel like, having two lip products that kind of do the same thing, unless this is more like overnight and this is for daytime. I don't feel like we maybe needed both in the box. Okay. Oh, that packaging. Patrick Ta is another brand that I'm kind of starting to get my feet wet with. His blushes are incredible. Okay, yeah, that packaging is so nice. I smell maybe vanilla mint, which is not my favorite. I don't like vanilla or mint. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to mess with this. I think I'm going to read up on it. Something nice to have, but I don't feel like we need both of these in here, and I'm going to read up on it just to kind of see what it is. We'll get to the deets in just a second. And then last but not least is the Wishful Thirst Trap Juice. This is a peptide serum. That is also pretty cool. And Wishful is Huda Beauty's skincare brand. I do just want to see the packaging. Y'all know I'm all about packaging. I love beautiful packaging. I just do. Yeah, that is really, really beautiful. So obviously I cannot test that right now. I wanted to at least have somewhat of a face on to kind of showcase any makeup products that we did get. I will say I already know for my makeup loving beauties that like a makeup heavy box, this probably wasn't for you, unless there obviously are versions that have more makeup in them. Definitely not makeup heavy at all. We actually really only got one makeup item. I consider a lip mask or a lip treatment obviously a treatment or skincare type of product. The brushes are more of a tool than obviously makeup to me, but I do think it's a well curated box. Am I blown away? No. Am I slightly disappointed? Yes. But do I feel like it was worth my $55? Absolutely. Standouts. Definitely the spray, the Huda Beauty Glow Cocoa Hydrating Mist. It smells nice. The spray radius is beautiful. I do definitely feel like my skin looks more luminous. And then the brushes, home run. And then the Rare Beauty Lip Balm. I already know and love this. Not a bad box. Not my all-time favorite box either. So we are going to read up on some deets. And in the little magazine as well, obviously, you know, they do a quick little interview with whomever is curating the bag for that, you know, that quarter. And then we can see on here kind of just different products and stuff like that that we could have gotten, you know, products that she talked about, products that could have been showcased in the box. So we are going to find our products and I will read up on those. All right, first up, we have our Wishful Thirst Trap Juice HA3 Peptide Serum. This is $47, and of course it is a full size. Huda bottled up all the best hydrating and plumping ingredients like hyaluronic acid, peptides, aloe, and niacinamide to create this fast-acting serum. And the serum, of course, is typically one of the very first steps in your skincare routine. I typically go in and I tone, and then I go in with a serum, and then you layer basically from lightest formulation of skincare product to the heaviest. So very intrigued by this. If you have tried this, let me know. Next up was our Sella, I hope I'm saying that right, the Mask Day Glacier Clay Mask. This is $40. The hero ingredient in this Huda Loved face mask, Glacial oceanic clay from the coast of British Columbia. It is rich in more than 60 minerals and rare elements to help transform your complexion. And again, personal preference, I do not like clay masks. I feel like they over dry my skin. But definitely if you have oily skin or if you have a preference to clay masks, then I'm sure you absolutely were thrilled by this product. Next up, we had our Rare Beauty with Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm. This is $16. There's nothing basic about this lip balm. It uses nourishing shea butter and botanical ingredients like lotus, gardenia, and white water lily to soothe dry, chapped lips and help lock in moisture. Plus, the sheer tint looks gorgeous on all skin tones. Next up was our Complex Culture All the Angles Brush Duo. This is $48. You're going to love this exclusive eco-friendly duo. These brushes make precise makeup application so easy, and they're made with vegan bristles and biodegradable handles too. And again, some of my favorite brushes, y'all. The weight to them's nice, the denseness, the softness of the bristles, they're perfection. Next up is our Ahava Dermud Intensive Foot Cream. This retails for $29. Give sore, tired, and cracked feet the TLC they deserve with this blend of nourishing Dead Sea mud, vitamin E, and jojoba oil. And I will, of course, update you guys on this. Next up is our Patrick Ta Beauty Major Glow Softening Lip Mask in She's Juicy. This does retail for $22. Get baby soft lips with this ultra nourishing mask. It helps lock in moisture with vegan lanolin and an emollient blend. Next up is our Huda Beauty Glow Cocoa Hydrating Mist. This retails for $35. I did not realize that. And essential in Huda's kit, this multi-use face mist. It uses 3 different kinds of coconut, milk, and water to prime your skin, set makeup in place, and refresh dry, dull skin for an overall dewy look. I really, really like this. And then last but not least, we have our PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device in the shade Warmth or Color Warmth. And this retails for $99. TBH, there's nothing this super-powered skincare device can't do. Made with ultra-hygienic silicone, it uses sonic vibrations to deep clean, help purify pores, and treat your face to a lifting and toning massage. And of course, I will add everything up and I will pop our total right here. Keep in mind, we did only pay $55 for our box. Looking at this, of course, I don't get spoilers. I don't like my box. I'm looking at the fact that there was the Wishful Honey Balm Niacinamide Moisturizer, the Enzyme Scrub. You could have gotten a couple different palettes. You could have gotten the Kayali perfume, which is one of my all-time favorite perfumes. And I am more skincare heavy. I really am. But looking at the selection of everything that we could have gotten, I don't feel like my box is the best. Y'all know mama can't lie. And just like the By Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Powder, I would have loved to have gotten that. I mean, there's definitely products in here that if I could have curated my own box together, that I would have definitely picked different products than what I got. I'm not hating it. There's definitely a few products in here that are standouts that I'm really excited about. But yeah, I think it's just okay. I'm gonna give it 3.5 yellow hearts this month. I'm so sorry. What did you guys think? Are we box twins? Did you get the box of my dreams? Comment down below. Let's have a conversation. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.